To fix a Dell docking station that's not working or turning on, several steps can be taken. The issues often arise from power supply problems, connection problems, or temporary glitches. First, it's essential to check the power supply. Ensure the docking station is powered by confirming the power cord is firmly connected. If the cord is secure, try removing it and plugging it back in. Then test a different power outlet to rule out a faulty one. If the power supply isn't the issue, examine the connection between the docking station and laptop. Verify the connection is secure by unplugging the cable and reconnecting it firmly. Additionally, inspect the ports on both devices for dirt or debris and clean them with a soft brush or compressed air if necessary. If these steps don't resolve the issue, a hard reset may be required. To do this, turn off the docking station, disconnect the power cord and all cables and peripheral devices, and let it sit for at least 3 minutes to reset. After the reset, reconnect the power cord, turn on the docking station, and reconnect all other devices. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Dell docking station that's not working or turning on.